Lord.
And here's my
I'll
number.
never get through this.
Okay, here's my change. Okay, and
Martha,
when will this
Martha,
get there?
hi.
Will this
Listen,
take a long
I'm on my
time?
lunch break and I've got to get through.
Sorry,
I'm-
not so bad, we had big
I've got to go. I'm
Okay,
gonna get
all right,
fired,
all right.
really. Please, Martha, please.
Thank
All
you.
right,
All right.
next please.
Hi, Karen, how are you? Good to see you, good to see you. Listen, I am in a hurry today.
Next,
I-
So am I, so am I.
So,
Here, thank you. Wow, this is really been
Dee
crazy.
Dee, I haven't seen you in a month. My gosh, how are
Hi,
you?
next,
I'm okay, but you know what?
No, I need to,
Where your
let me
manners?
go.
Were you raised in a barn?
Yes, I was. My mother was always late. She taught me to always be late, and I'm going to be late going back. Dee Dee, please.
Tell it to someone who
Let
cares.
me.
Tell it to someone who cares. Can I have a book of stamps,
Sure,
please? And go
sure.
buy yourself some manners.
Yay,
And
yay,
another thing.
yay, yay. Please let me go in front of you. I'm going to get fired, Gay, if I don't get back on time.
Next,
Please let me
please.
go. Please let me go in front of you. Please.
Go ahead.
Is that?
Oh, you really don't have very good